Hi, my name is Bruce West, and you're at the lovely Gallucci Learning Garden in the hilltop area of Tacoma, Washington. And today we will be repotting a fig tree that has outgrown its pot. It not only has outgrown the pot, but it also has tap roots that have broken down through the pot. And so it's a little bit more complicated than most people have with repotting at home. But hopefully you can use some of the things we're doing in this a video with your own pots at home, whether you're trying to stay in the same size pot or move it into a larger pot. So this pot, like I say, has actually, the roots have grown down below. You'll see a bunch of roots on top of the soil. We talked about putting in a larger pot, but we ultimately decided to put it in the ground. The tools that you'll need for this job will be something to cut the pot with. But at home, you're going to want to have some pruners, either pruner shears or some loppers. And even if you're going to put it back in the same pot or just a little bit larger pot, you're going to want to be able to tease them out and maybe cut some of the larger roots off and shape it up a bit. A little bit of root pruning doesn't hurt. One of the things we're going to have to do is cut this pot, break it open, then we'll try to dig down and save as much of that tap root or the roots that are going down into the ground. You could see that it was really root bound. We're going to wash away the soil and see if we can tease out any roots there and spread them out, or maybe even cut them off. We're in early June right now, and this is not a good time. It had been hot. We've actually had a couple of cool days here, which is nice. But it would be better if you did this in like early spring. Maybe not the fall like you would normally transplant bare root trees, but I think early spring. That way it's not trying to fight the winter with wounded roots. And you may want to have it in a pot, in either the same size pot or a larger pot.
Let it get absorbed.
One of the things that I did was prune the tree and remove the fruit. All the energy going to building new roots and new growth on the top. We've got the plant in the ground, and now all we need to do is water it every couple of days. And I would add some starter fertilizer or transplant fertilizer to your watering mix, maybe half strength. Watch your leaves to make sure that they're not curling up, showing signs of being dry. I want to thank you for joining us. I want to thank Tacoma Creates for sponsoring this. Without their support, we couldn't operate, so thank you.